This conference will now be recorded.
So we can marking in cutting path. Now we can make the horizontal 90. Okay. So this first in horizontal 90, always cutting part is coming base side to height side. One base height side is we cannot touch in there. Base to height. Base to start and up to height going. One side. Full going is like that. So this table tray base is 300 mm. H for formula. In half cutting part, half value is 0.40 mm multiplied by base. Base means 300 mm. Okay. So after coming, cutting part is 120 mm. This is the half value. This two is all are half value. This two is half value. Okay. So we are marking in two parts to horizontal 90. We are not making in L side. L types 90 is not allowed in golf. Okay. So H for this one. So as for this cutting marking, our 90 is making like that. After this, we are making same condition 90 is coming. Not yell. You can see this is not yell. Here to one cutting and another is here cutting. This between the these two cutting have the gap. So this is the gap. This is the gap of cutting parts. Same like that 90 ready this one. So golf is not allowed in your type. No allowed real type. You can make the 90s like that. This is the standard. Why we can using in this one? Cable coming time, real type bending is problem. Cable is strong. So if you put the 90 like that, we can easy to bend in cable gear in 90. Arrangement time, we can easy to arrange the cable. So we can making it like that. Okay. So this is the 300 base and 100 height. We cannot confirm in height. In horizontal 90, we should be clear about the base. Base to height going. So our base is 300. So 300 multiplied by 40 mm. As per our formula. As per our formula, we can take. So same, I will writing and give to you, okay? Same like this diagram, our measurement is like that, okay? So this is 300 base, height is 100 and height is 100 mm. We are making horizontal 90 is the cutting part. So as per formula, our formula is, our value is 0.40 mm, full value is 0.80 mm. As per formula, half value. So always you can marking is three parts. This is the center main part, main to half and another half. Same like that, the main cutting part, half this side and half this side. So now we can using in this formula, okay? As per formula, this as per the horizontal 90, cutting part is base side. So base is 300 mm. So our cable tray base is cable tray base into 0.4 mm. 40 mm. Cable tray base. So as per formula. So cable tray base is 300 mm. 300 mm into 0.40 mm. You can multiply by this one. So after multiple coming 1, 2, 0 mm half value. Same, this is the half value. You can see this is the center point, half here and half here. So 120 is coming here. You can multiply this 300 and half value. So same is coming 120 mm. Half value, half value, half value, half value. Okay, so total full value. So in half value we can multiply this one. So marking time you should be using half value only. You should be using in marking time half value. This formula you can using in marking time. Okay, and full value. So I hope you clear about this one half value. Marking time you should be using in half value only 0.40 mm. And next one. Now full value. Full value we can here. So our base is 300 mm. Into full value is 0.80. 0.80 mm. Okay. Full value is this one. So after multiple, how many coming? Total 240 mm. So this is the full value. This year to year, this is full value. We can make always marking in half value, but total value is our cutting part is coming 240. Okay, 240 and 240 coming 24 centimeter. Okay, so in marking time you can using in always half value, but after you can clear again multiple by full value. This is correct or not? So total this distance, this point to this point total is 240. Okay, so only half value is this point to this point is half value. Always marking you can using in half value formula. So this is the 120 mm. And cutting part you should be cutting it always in one side. This one is you can cutting and this one is you can cutting. Start the cutting from here and this axle blade or grinding machine you can cut up to here. Okay, and same like that another point also you start here and cutting up to here. Now this is open condition. We can make the bend like that bend. So after ready to bend. Okay, after right to 90 elbow. So if you cutting this one, this part is going to inside of the. This is going to inside here coming. After we can make the screw, and this part also cutting coming this inside here. This screw is one side, this screw is one side. So there is 120 and here is 120. Total how many? 240. Okay, so total value is 240. This 120 is balanced and this 120 is balanced. This 120 is going to inside together, don't like that. Okay, so we can make the drilling in here and using in not bolt. Okay, so total value is 240 is coming. So you can multiply in like that. If your table tray is 150 mm base, that time you can use using 150 into 0.4, same formula. If 450 your cable tray, that time you can 450 mm into 0.4. So you can using in this formula. Don't forget in this two formula. This is the important formula for cutting parts. So you can make the horizontal 90 like that. Okay, so any sizes of cable tray is coming, you can multiply by this one. So Yesterday I am already told you horizontal 90 is cutting part is base side. Base side. This is the base. This one is base. This is the height. Okay. Clear about this one. Horizontal 90. Same like that. Just whiteboard. What I can see show you. This is the cutting part of horizontal 90. You can see this is the cutting part of horizontal 90. So base. So always cutting part we can divide it by 2.24. Half value, half value. This is also half value, half value. Cutting time. This one is going inside the there. This one is going inside this half percent. And after only two measurement is remaining there. So horizontal 90 elbow making time. This is the cutting part value. You can make horizontal 90 making time. You should be multiple only base. No see in height 50 mm, 100 mm, 150 mm. Only you can hear about the base. How many sided is base? Okay. So horizontal 90 cutting part you can make like that. You can put the diagram in your notebook. After practical time, we are made the confidence. Okay. Two parts is cutting after 90 is make like that. This is the straight coming and going to left side now. If we can using in this one, as per your drawing, you can using in this one. So this is straight coming and going to left side. If you making like that, straight coming, going in right side. So always 90 elbow is going to right to left or left to right. Okay. So cutting part value is this one. You can make the diagram in your notebook. Horizontal 90, you don't forget this one writing, okay? Horizontal 90 elbow cutting parts. This is the cutting parts, okay? So half value and full value, total distance, there to there and there to there, okay? Total distance, this one. You can writing in your notebook. Okay, next. Vertical 90 elbow cutting part. Okay, this is inner type. Vertical we have two types, inner and outer. This is inner. So as per vertical 90 definition, always we can see in height parts only. Only two height parts. Height part, not in base part. Horizontal 90, you can check in base part. But in vertical 90, you can check the height of cable tray. 100 mm, 100 mm. This is the height. And base is 300 mm. Now we are making the vertical 90. That time we don't care about the base. We can care only height. So cutting part is coming only height side. Vertical 90. So this is the cutting part. Same like that. Distance is because this is the 100 mm now. 100 mm multiplied by 0.4. So coming 20 mm. 100 mm, you can 100 mm writing and multiply by 0.40. Same formula. So cutting part is coming like that. I am already tell marking time. You should be follow half value and marking there. Okay, so this is the cutting part. This arrow is cutting part. You can cutting this one and cutting this one. This is coming together. These two is coming together and this two is coming together. Okay, so this bend is make like that. So this bend is after making same like that. This bend is ready. After cutting, two parts is cutting. You see height side only. Base side we cannot touch in there. You see, only bend. Base side is not touch. You can check clear about this one. Only height side, this two side we can cutting and put the screw. And this one also only height side cutting. Base side is not touching in there. Clear about this. Same like that. This base is we are not cutting. Only height side cutting. Same as for this. You can take this one and do this. And our formula is same like that. This is the grammatical formula. Don't forget this one. Any times this is no change. Universal formula this one. Okay. This is not changing. Dimension is not changing in this formula. Same like our Ohm's law. In electricity, Ohm's law is not changing. Same like that, cutting parts value formula is not changing. 0.40 or 0.48. Sorry, 0. Half full value and half value is 0.40. This is no changing. So any cable tray work, fabrication work. If you going in fabricator also, electrician, fabricator, visa also available. Okay. So that time you follow this rules, this formula and make the bend. Your bend is perfect coming. As per fittings bend. So this is the important formula. You cannot forget in this formula. Okay. So this is inner cutting parts. We are marking in inner cutting parts. So vertical 90, always cutting part is coming both height side, both height side. You can clear about this one. Horizontal 90, always cutting part is coming base side. Simple thing. You don't forget this one. In this slide, we cannot writing in this one. Already we can give in types of bends. That time we can give. Okay. So this is the cutting part value. Okay. Next one. Vertical 90 elbow, outer cutting part. Outer. Now before inner. Two types of vertical, outer and inner. Okay. So this is the outer. Okay. You can check. This is outer and this is inner. Inner and outer. This is outer and this is inner. Already we can talking about this one. Okay. So this is the outer vertical 90 and outer vertical 90 also. Vertical 90 always coming in height parts in cutting parts. You can see this is the cutting parts and this is cutting parts. So we can cutting this one for supporting of screw. Supporting of screw. You can see this is also height side only cutting and base side supporting to screw. We can fix like that. Okay. Same like that in inner, just opposite outer is cutting, but cutting is always height side. Okay. So this is the height side. We can cutting like that, and this is cutting same like that. Very easy. And this is also same formula we can using in height. 100 mm multiple by 0.40. This means this is coming 20 mm, 20 mm. Total 4 centimeters, total distance. But our value is 20 mm, 20 mm. Very easy, very clear. So formula is always in cutting part formula always coming same like that, no changing. Okay, so this is the outer 90. So we have three types of 90: horizontal 90, inner in type 90, or inner out type 90. Okay, so this is the out type. So in vertical 90, you should be check the height only, not check in base. In horizontal 90, you should be check the measurement the base side. Clear about this one? Okay, next, bridge. We have the making in bridge. Now this is the bridge. So as for bridge, cutting part is coming four areas. Four areas. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you making the bridge, yesterday I will show you bridge image also. So cutting part is coming four. Only horizontal 90 we can using in base side, but another types of bend we can using always height, okay. So in bridge we can using in four parts of cutting part: 1, 2, 3, 4. So as per rules, marking time we can using in half value formula. So this is the center point, center point, center point, and center point. This is half parts, another half parts. Same like that. This is half parts, half parts. Okay. So always we can using in half value 0.4 mm, 40 mm square mm. Okay. So now I will give you one example how to measurement in object height. Suppose this is beam, this is your wall. Now question is downside. You can take in downside question. Okay. This is your question. Same like interview. Care about this one. Very important topic. This one. 90% interview asking how to making the bridge. Be clear about this one. Very important topic is this one. Okay. So I will give you one example. Suppose this is the building wall. Your cable route is starting from wall, and in center point of building, one beam is coming. One beam is coming there, and you need to down your cable tray, and again going to same level. This level and this level is same height. You need to same height from FFL, finishing floor level. If this one and this one no need same level, you can make only offset. You can make down offset and straight going like that. This is not issue. But in as per your drawing, this starting point height or ending point height is you need to same height. Suppose this height is FFL to 2 meter. There also FFL to 2 meter. Here is some objects is coming. Beam is coming to problem for you. So now this is your questions. Start your cable tray is start from this wall, and this wall to this beam. Up to beam is total distance is 1500 mm. Total distance. Starting in beam, this wall to this 1500 mm. Okay. So beam wide is 300 mm, and beam height is 250 mm. So beam is 300 mm wide and height is 250 mm. So you can crossing crossing this beam and make the bridge like that. So this is the cutting part. Now this is your question. Wall to beam up to beam 1500 mm, 1 meter 50 centimeter starting in beam, wall to starting beam, and beam wide is 300 mm. This means 30 centimeter and height is 250 mm. Okay, this is your questions. Now how to make the cutting part I will give to you. So bridge, as per bridge rules, always cutting part is coming 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first, this is your wall to 1500. So what is the value of cutting part? Object height into 1.42 mm. Object height, any kinds of object, not only beam. There is coming central AC also. There is coming other some equipment also. Okay, so you can mention in object height into 1.4 mm. You can multiply by 1.4 mm. So total height is, total length is 1500. So first marking you can do 1500 into, you can multiply by 1.42. 1.42. Okay, so how many coming there? After total distance to reduce this one minus this one. So this means 1150. Your first marking is coming like that. Total you can reduce 355. Okay, 355 is coming in there. So beam height is 250 into 1.42. You can multiply by 1.42. So 355 is coming. You can just checking now. Okay, beam height is 250 mm into 1.42 mm. This means offset making value. So we have the 3 types of value. Now you can forget in cutting part value. You can making in bridge offset. So we can using both types, cutting part also and offset formula also. We can using in 2, in horizontal, vertical, 90 inner and outer. That time we can using in only cutting part formula. But offset making time we can using in both formula, cutting part formula also and offset formula also. 2 formula we can using. As per our offset formula, object height into 1.42 mm. Don't forget in this one. Offset formula. Object height, not only beam. There is sometime central AC also coming. There is coming in firefighting pipe also coming in your route. If you make the up and down, that time you can make the height of the object. How many height is there? So depends with your height. So bridge making time, always you need to object height. How many height? You can measurement the height. Same like that, this bridge beam height is 250 mm. Okay, 250 mm is beam height. So you can multiple 250 into 1.42. This means total coming 355. You can multiple. Total coming is 355. So what you can minus total length minus 355. Total length is 1500 mm minus 355. So how many coming? 1145 mm is coming. So you can marking it first. Marking is 1150 mm and second marking after 350 to center marking again. And beam wide you can put in there And after same copy 355 here, because we can need the equal distance in bridge, not in different distance. So we can using in same formula. And cutting part value is you can using in 40 mm, same like that. And bridge always coming, the cutting part is height side, offset, height side coming. Only horizontal 90, base side coming. If you making in horizontal 90, that time you can cutting part is coming base side. You can multiple by base side. But bridge, offset, inner or outer 90, vertical 90, that time you can cutting part is coming outside. And bridge formula and offset formula is object height into 1.42 mm. So same like before, we can check in our horizontal 90 time. I will show you the how to multiple. So you can multiple like that and minus this distance, minus this distance, total distance to minus. Clear or need to practical in whiteboards? Clear about bridge or need to practical in whiteboards? Just tell me, somebody. Need to practical, I will show you how to calculate. I hope all of you are clear. If no clear, tell me, I will show in whiteboard also. This is the important topics, huh? Maximum 90% you interview in my experience asking is this question: how to making the bridge, marking in bridge. What is the marking of bridge? They will give the question, you can marking like that. Okay, important topics is this one. So I hope all of you are clear. Okay, bridge, offset, cutting part. So bridge always coming in this slide, you can clear about bridge always coming, cutting part is 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and next one is we should be need the object height. In bridge making time, we should be need the object height, and we can multiply by 1.42 mm. And cutting formula is H for before. Our value 0.40. We can install in cutting formula is there is using cutting formula. This distance we can using in offset formula. This distance, there to there distance, we can using offset formula. And this cutting part formula. Clear about this one, okay? Next one. Tray ranking ladder installation time using fitting across. What types of fitting we need to? Tray ranking and cable ladder installation time. You can installation in cable tray ranking in slab or wall, anywhere as per drawing requirement. Where is drawing location? If slab, we can using in hanging system with thread rod. If wall, we can using in channel, iron channel, and installation the cable tray. So two types of cable tray installation: slab and wall. Okay, so installation time, what you need, what materials and what tools you need. Materials, first of all, you need to materials in Unistrut channel. You need to Unistrut channel. This is your Unistrut channel. Okay, Unistrut channel is this one. We can put like that and put the two rod is there. In hanging system, we can put the two rod is this whole use and put the two rod is like that and hanging, and inside the this one cable tray is running. Very easy, you can see. In slab, if you install in slab, if you install in wall, we can using in wall direct in channel, this one channel. We can make the A type channel and installation channel only. But in hanging system, we can using in thread rod. This is the thread rod, okay? So thread rod, we can using in 2 thread rod like that and make the drilling offside using N4 Unifix and tie the thread rod after hanging channel and channel offside to our cable tray is running. Correct? Clear? Okay. So this is the system. So we need to first Unistrut channel. Next one, Unifix or anchor. Unifix or anchor faster. This is the Unifix, anchor faster. 2 types. In slab, we can using in Unifix. And wall, we can using in this types of anchor Unifix. Okay. So these 2 types, slab we can using in this small type and wall we can using in this one. 2 types of this one, you can check in there. So Unifix for we can using in, we can drilling in slab and put this inside the slab and thread rod fixing like that. There inside have the thread. So thread rod is fixing like that, okay? After thread rod is catching there, you can see thread rod is fixing like that and this is not coming down. There is threading system. Okay, in slab we can using in this one, okay? But wall we can using in another type. This is the wall model. So this is also we can using in thread rod inside like that. Same situation. Anchor faster or thread rod, okay? Cable tray joint plate. Cable tray joint plate. So cable tray, one cable tray length is 3 meter. So standard length is cable tray is 3 meter. So one building distance how many? Start to somewhere 50 meter, somewhere 100 meter like that. Very long building also. So that time we need to cable tray joint purpose. One cable tray standard length is 3 meter. So that time we can using in joint plate, this one. Here have the hole, cable tray also have hole. So cable tray, we can jointing one cable tray to another cable tray, joint like that. Using cable tray joint plate. This name is cable tray joint plate, okay? So cable tray joint plate. Thread rod. Thread rod, I am already show you. This is the thread rod. Thread rod is this one. Especially in cable tray, we can using in 10 mm thread rod, not 8 mm, not 6 mm. 90% we can using in 10 mm thread rod. Okay, and bolt nut and washer. Bolt nut and washer for tightening purpose. We can using in bolt nut and washer. So this is your bolt. We can using in bolting in tightening purpose. Okay, bolt nut and washer. So we need these materials in cable tray installation time. Okay, clear? Unistrut channel, Unifix or anchor faster, cable tray joint plate, thread rod, bolt, nut and washer. These materials are needed for cable tray installation time at site or project where you want to work. Clear? Next one. So I will show you anchor, Unifix, thread rod and bolt nut and washer. This is the diagram of this one. You can check anchor. Just before I will show you. Okay. So this types of we can using in block or wall. Wall we can using in block. So block type we can using in this types of unifix. In slab we can using in anchor. This type of anchor. Okay. Slab is solid, but block is not solid. Inside have the little bit hole, so we can need the big one. Okay. And next one is this is the bolt, this is not, and this is washer. Bolt, not, and washer. We can using in joint purpose. Cable tray. 6 mm not bolt and washer. This is not in your slat, okay? Joint purpose. We can joint plate. This hole we can using in 6 mm, not bolt and washer. And next one, cable tray. Installation time we can using in 10 mm thread rod. 10 mm thread rod. You can writing in your notebooks. This is also not mentioned is there. If you using 10 mm thread knot, you should be need 10 mm anchor faster or 10 mm unifix. If you using 10 mm thread rod, same size anchor faster and unifixes you need. This is also no writing in your notebook. Okay, this is simple thing. Sometime make the cross question. 10 mm anchor fix. You have the 10 mm anchor unifix. So which side thread rod is used? Sometime make the cross question in interview. That time tell H for unifix size. We can using same size of thread rod also. Okay, is it clear? Clear about this one? Okay, so next one. This is the joint plate. I will show you already. Joint plate. These two types of joint plate. Okay. So this is also joint plate and this is also joint plate. Cable tray joint plate. Okay. And this is the Unis rod channel. Already I will show. And this one is the spring knot. We can using spring knot in cable punching time cable tray. Suppose this is your Unis rod channel. You can your cable tray is running like that. Cable tray is running like that state. Okay. So we can using in knot bolt here because this is not moving. We can make the tight. That time we can using in spring knot in inside the Unis rod channel. Same like that. We can installation like that and cable tray is put there and this hole to tie the knot bolt. This means this cable tray is not moving in going straight location. So that time we can using in this name is spring knot. Okay, spring knot. This is Unis rod channel, cable tray joint plate. This is the spring knot. Okay, spring knot. Here is writing spring knot. Is it clear? Huh? Okay, clear all of you. So we can using in spring knot for strong, make the strong root of cable, not moving in cable tray like that. That time we can using in spring knot to tie it with knot bolt. Okay. So this is your materials need for cable tray installation time. Next one. So cable tray, cranking and ladder is completed. Okay, we can need the materials in Unisrod channel, thread rod, Unifix, nut bolt washer. These types of materials is need in cable tray work. What tools you need for cable tray work? Cable tray work, you should be need drill machine. In drilling in slab, LT machine, drill machine, concrete type drill machine. Okay, so in after drill bit, you need to LT drill bit or concrete drill bit or steel drill bit. Both side of drill bit is you need. Okay, so tools you need to this one, and spirit level. Spirit level, electrical tools I will already told you. Spirit level. इधर ही रखा था यार, चाबी किधर है? मैं इधर रखा, किधर रखा है? इसका चाबी था. Spring. Okay, so we need to tools in drill machine, spirit level, and grip plier. Most important is grip plier. Grip plier for okay, so this is the spirit level. You can make the arrange level of the cable tray. And one most important things I will explain to you. Interview time, maximum interview is asking 90% question. This is your thread rod. How to tighten in thread rod? They will tell which tools is you use. That time you can tell in grip plier. Grip plier we can using in this one. So there have the system we can using in grip plier like that. If you put a grip plier, this thread is not doing. So we can grip plier to tight. You can tell this one. Don't forget. Maximum interview asking this question. In thread rod tightening time, which tools we can using? We can using in grip plier. Okay. Don't forget this one. In slab, this is not writing. Okay. So thread rod tightening time we can using in grip plier. So tools we need to drill machine or concrete or steel drill bit, spirit level, chuck line dory, and after grip plier and spanner. This tools is need for cable tray work. Materials we can need in Unisrod channel, nut bolt washer, joint plate. Okay, everything is need for you. So tools and materials, care about this, and don't forget thread rod using tight time we can using in grip plier. Okay. So any questions about the cable tray, cranking and ladder? So after lunch we can starting your assessment exam. Already madam give you the information. Okay, so be ready for your exam, assessment exam. And there is looking in Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna, any questions about the cable tray, cranking and ladder?
No sir, clear, all clear.
Clear, yes? Okay, thank you. So wish you all the best and best of luck in your exam. Okay, all of you are right in assessment exam. Okay, so you should be, I am already told you should be taking A+. This is only allowed. I will make the big struggle for you. Not need to B or B+. Need to A+. Okay, total marks is 50 marks coming. Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.